Today is April 2nd. We're going to take a look at Tesla. Tesla just reported the Q1 delivery, and that caused the stock to shot up during after hour. So stay tuned. Here we're looking at the number from the press release Tesla put out. And here is the breakdown. On the Model S and X, it produced 15,390 cars, and it delivered 12,200. Then for the Model 3 and the Model Y, it did not break down, separate the Model 3 and the Model Y. So it combined it and it produced 87,282 vehicle and delivered 76,200. For a total combined, all the vehicle, it produced 102,672 and delivered 88,400. And it is this number that actually got surprised the street, because the street is expecting an 80,000 delivery, 80,000 car delivery. And this number beat it by more than 10%. It delivered 88,400. And that is the primary reason why it's pushed the stock price up during after hour. So let's go and take a look at the price action. This is the weekly chart on the Tesla stock. And remember this area here, this zone, we've been tracking that. Well, we've been following this area for, this price range for quite a long time before it actually broke out and it came up to this almost to $1,000. It went up as high as $968.99 before it pulled back, and then during the recent coronavirus, spreading and that kind of stuff. So it really pushes the stock price down, and it even went back into this zone here and went below this $389.61. And I have put out a video earlier and talk about that for looking at that price level. So right now it came back up, and this is a weekly chart. Right now we still got one more day. Tomorrow is Friday, but you can see that it is forming a inside week. In other words, this week's price range is inside of last week's entire price range. So we're going to keep an eye on that in the coming week to see, is it going to break above it, the high a week ago, or come below. Going to be critical, because that will kind of give us a little clue of where some of the near-term price action might reside. All right, so that's the weekly price. And also what I did is I also put in a Fibonacci retracement on the low, this 178 area, right? This 178 to the high of the, the recent peak near that 1,000 mark. And we see that there is a retracement zone here. The retracement zone is, defined as 38.2% to 61.8%. And here we see that the price actually is trying to get back into this retracement zone. The other thing is to remember, if the price retrace back to the 50% level and unable to move back above it, there's a high probability it's going to retrace 100%. So it's the key to see will the price get back up above this 50% and possibly get it back up above the 61.8 and then move above that to see could we get back and try to come back up or try to tag this all-time high. But if it come down and stay below this 38.2, then there's a good possibility it's going to come back into this zone and eventually work itself back down and possibly retest this $178 level. Now, that is not a guarantee. Not saying that it will always do that. It's just that the probability, favor that type of action. So not necessarily saying that it will. It's just that it could. Let's take a look at the daily price. And what I did is I put it in on a 12-hour basis, this 390-minute, which is the entire trading session. So I could capture the after-hour price action in the chart here. So you can see right now, this is the spike up. And here is these, this zone here, this retracement zone that I've, talked about in the previous chart, right? So right now, we basically see, would it be able to get back above this 50% level and then work itself back up, right? But if it stall here and then come back down, then that could be, potential problem for the stock, right? The price action. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. Here is the price action after hour. You see this big spike up and came as high as 547.97, then it start pulling back. So we're going to see would it be able to take out these these pivot high here and work itself back up over the next few trading sessions up to the 572. All right, so that's basically what I'm looking at on Tesla is would it be able to get back up above the 573 or would it drop back below the 479? If it come back below 479, watch that 389, all right? That's going to be the critical price. And we do have some couple of high volume area, somewhere around between 440 and 420. So that could be an area of potential support here. And if you like the content of this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and also click on the subscribe to subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to watch these videos. If you're interested in my analysis of where the market might be headed, click on that link for the latest weekly video at the end of the segment here or the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and good luck on your trading.